Namaste and hi everyone. This is Suchit Sahu, prospective master student at Language Technology Institute at CMU. I'm a 2019 graduate from IIT Beju Varanasi and have been working with Morgan Stanley ever since as a full stack developer. My major area of interest include NLP, machine learning, as well as recommender systems. Although I started out in the field of electrical engineering in my undergraduate days, but couple of years down the lane, I found the field of machine learning to be more interesting. Therefore, I started exploring all the aspects of machine learning in order to gain a more holistic view over the entire domain. One of the major research initiatives I undertook during my days was building a paper reviewer recommender system. In this recommender system had a multi-layered model, that is a TCR rec, that consists of three layers: topic network, citation network, and a reviewer network, which use techniques of NLP, machine learning, and graph theory to provide reviewer recommendation. This particular model was able to outperform the baseline models, and this paper has been accepted in the peer-reviewed International Journal of Expert Systems with Applications. CMU has always been at the forefront of technological innovations. The meticulously designed curriculum incorporates both the academic and the industry aspect of the studies, making it one of the best universities to pursue higher education. The research initiatives at CMU not only deal with the cutting edge technology but also aim to solve the societal problems prevalent. Therefore, inspired by all of this, I also want to be the part of an excellent academic community at CMU. Therefore, I would like to apply for masters at LTI in CMU. I believe with my extensive research and industry experience, I will be a perfect fit for the program.